guys, today I'm going to be doing DVD opening. It's Time to Wake Up Jeff from 2006. Here's the front, spine, the frog picture, and the back. And you're only going to be seeing It's Time to Wake Up Jeff, because Splash Dash Breaker Bird will be out of use for this DVD opening. Here's the disc, but today we're only doing It's Time to Wake Up Jeff. No booklets will be shown. Now let's begin. Ignore Splash Dash Breaker Bird and all these things. Yep, I'm not be featuring the intro because it's short and sweet. That's it, I've got to go. Peace out later. Catch you on the flip side.